Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install this update, that is KB5089573 or KB5092427, because of this error, that is your device is missing important security updates. So if you're receiving this error, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to simply restart your computer. Do not ignore this step. Restart your PC, and after the system restart you can try to update. Still not working, you can use update catalog. You can open this link in a browser. The link is provided in the video description. Over here you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5089573 or the other update, and then click on search. Now check your Windows version, so type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on winver run command. So in my case it's version 25H2. Check your Windows version, then go to Windows settings, go to system, scroll down, go to about option, check your system type. For me it's 64-bit operating system, so for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. Now if you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me this is the right one. Now click on download, and then you can click on KB5089573, and then you can download this update. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, install this update manually, and then restart your PC and then check. Still not working, you can run these commands. You can copy all these commands, reset Windows update components. So copy these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. So copy till here, and then open Notepad on your computer. Paste all the command in Notepad, go to file, go to save as, and then you can name this file as wuauserv.bat, and then you can click on save. Now go to desktop, and over here you can see wuauserv.bat file. Make a right click, and then make sure that you run this file as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow, and let the process complete. It will stop all the Windows update services first. Do you want to continue this operation? If you receive this pop-up, type in Y for yes, and then hit the enter key. First of all, it will stop all the Windows update components, and then it will run few scans. Now there are multiple scans, so the scan process will take some time, and once this is done, it will start all the Windows update services. Once this is complete, restart your computer, and after the system restart you can update. Still not working, open Windows settings, go to Windows update, go to advanced option, scroll down, go to recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once this is done, now you can update. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now, and then you can run this exe file. Run this exe file, and then click on accept over here. By default Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next over here. Select ISO file over here, and then click on next. You can save it to desktop, then click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish. Let this close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds to close. Once done, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept. Now over here you can see ready to install. By default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, you can log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install these updates successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.